Android Auto is a mobile app developed by Google to mirror features of an Android device, such as a phone, on a car's information and entertainment screen. You can connect Android Auto using a USB cable or connect wirelessly. This video will show you the steps for both. For wired connections, connect the cable to the leftmost USB port and to the Android phone. When prompted on screen, tap Yes. You may be asked to grant permissions on screen or on your Android phone. To set up wireless Android Auto manually, go to the touchscreen. Select the home screen icon, tap the Android Auto icon, and select Connect New Device. To connect via Bluetooth, first make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then, on your Android phone, go to Connections, then Bluetooth, and select Honda Odyssey. Verify that the pairing code shown on your phone and on the Odyssey screen are the same. In the unlikely event the codes don't match, there may be more than one phone in range. Put other phones in airplane mode to continue with pairing. Then select Pair on your phone. Tap OK. To disconnect or delete your Android phone, on the center touchscreen, select the home screen icon. Select Android Auto, then the phone you wish to delete. Tap Delete Device, and then tap Delete on the next screen. For more helpful tips on your Honda, visit the Honda Info Center at hondainfocenter.com.